So I want to welcome everyone back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I achieved this Faux Hawk using Dr. Herbal's hair care products. I started off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. So being able to style and have that best results require no buildup in moisturized hair, which is giving your hair the opportunity to soak up that product so you can plan to apply that particular hairstyle. First, I use Dr. Herbal's Defining Mist Spray, which is best after washing and also great for using daily for easy styling and maintenance. You should not wash it out, for it provides that moisture you need. After spraying the Defining Mist, I parted a section in the back across. As you can see, I am not parting perfectly because the curls will cover it up. So it is okay if your part is not straight, because obviously mine isn't. And my hair turned out bomb, so oh well. Alright, so after I applied Dr. Herbal's Defining Growth Oil, I use this after applying the Defining Mist. This provides protection and moisture when applied correctly. So finally, I added Dr. Herbal's Defining Butta Creme, which helps moisturize and style your hair. I applied an amount that covers all strands of my hair, and later you'll see how I apply more for styling purposes. Make sure to comb and or brush through so that all your strands are coated with that Butta Creme. So once I did that, I applied the ponytail and repeated to all three sections. So your parts do not have to be super duper straight like I said earlier, because I'm horrible at even parting a straight line, but just make it work the way you need to make it work. Now that I created 3 ponytails, I start from the bottom ponytail and take a small section of hair and apply some more of that Defining Butta Creme, and I brush through to make sure it is well coated. So I have 2 different size perm rods, but you can always use whatever size you would like. So I started with the bigger ones at the bottom. So make sure when you're applying the perm rods that your hair is smoothed out to give you the best results. Applying the perm rods throughout my hair using the smaller ones on the front, and I mix up the middle ones in the middle section. So once I finish, I set under the dryer for an hour and air dry my hair for the rest. Once dry, now it's time to take down and style. So once I take all rods out, I made sure my hands were coated with oil to prevent less frizz. I start pulling apart the curls to give it a more volume and a fuller look. Then I added edge control to slick them edges, and of course whip out that handy dandy pick and pick away to give it more volume. So these are my finished results, and if you love what you saw, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more hair tutorials and more. And comment below what other videos you want to see from me as well. Peace, love, and happiness.